Hello everybody. Today we're reviewing my last build project. It's just came. I'm just finished it, and this is gonna be a Mad Max Interceptor, but recreated as a Razor Cola. So let me introduce you a Razor Cola Interceptor in 1/8 scale. Here is the beast what I just make it. So a few things I will gonna need to still finish it with this one, but it's done. So here it is. I'm gonna show you from whole sides. You can see how big it is. Yeah, took me a month to build this one. So that's from whole sides. Like that. At the back, look at the back. These chains, the spikes, wheels. I'm actually using different ones, rubber ones, and for me this one's looking much better than original supposed to be. They're way thicker. So here it is. Let's have a look. Interior all hand painted. Steering wheel is turning wheels. One side, other side is like a damaged seat. At the back is, here is a lever. It's not spinning, but in movie it was been spinning specially to release these spikes. This is movable in whole sides, so you can put or like that or like that. This is a spear gun, so I decided to leave it this way. On the front, to the front. Bumper is totally different. Apart this apart lamps are Razors, and engine, double supercharger engine, and it looks like that. Also, I will gonna show you underneath now. It's fully closing, so I will gonna need to fix this a bit here. That's a clear coat, a bit damaged, so I will gonna need to sand it down and make it. So that's how it looks underneath. Wheels are I will gonna take it more, yeah, like that. Wheels are spinning, all wheels are spinning, and also I added to this car model a feature with the lights on, so you're getting front lights on, and back lights on.
It's not much too light.
No, it's a bit too light. And also I wanted to make a comparison between Razor Cola Interceptor and Mad Max's Interceptor. Is in the same scale, but see, this one is quite taller more off-road wheels on the Razor Cola, different engine, also the same. You can see the differences between engines. Like that, but on this one as well I make it lights on as well, how on this one. So here is just from the button, and there is a compartment, a battery compartment inside the interior. Like that. Leave comments down below what you think about my new build. And now I'm still creating a large scale engine. It's the same engine, the same size of the engine, like I've done it for Mad Max Interceptor. It's this one, and exactly the same size is gonna be for this Razor Cola engine. So I'm still creating and soon gonna be review of all engines from Mad Max movie cars I have. So leave it comments down below what you think about these models, and if you have wish to see some other models, just let me know in comments down below, and I will gonna do a video for you. So for today I'm finished. Have a good day and bye bye.